So, uh, my name is Tiffany, and I just kind of wanted to bring you a brief video on how to use Zoom. Alright, so once you've already downloaded the Zoom app onto your computer or your phone, you can get this through just someone sending you a link, and then you decide to download it from there, or you could just go on your Google Play or your App Store to get Zoom. Anyways, once you have your Zoom, these are different icons that you're going to want to know how to use. This one right here is reaction, so that you or the kids can like clap, thumbs up. This is when if you want to record your meeting with your students or coworkers or something. This is a screen share, so let's go over screen share. So when you click on screen share, there's different options. This one says one participant can share at a time, multiple participants can share simultaneously. If you click on advanced, this is where it shares that you want to go who can share. Click on all participants, and then who can start sharing when someone else shares. You just click on only host. How many participants can share at a time? One participant can share at a time. So maybe you want to click this one, all participants, and this one before your students get there, so that they can easily be able to share the screen when it's their turn. This chat box right here will enable you to put links here to share messages, and for the students to share messages as well. So if you want to share a link, you're going to click or share a message, you can click on the individual person or everyone here. Yep. Okay, and then let's see here. You should also be able to do some things as far as the chat ahead of time, especially if you're working for like OutSchool. Their Zoom is set up a little bit different. And then let's see what security says. So if you go under security, this is good because it allows participants to share a screen, chat, rename themselves. So if you don't want them, for example, to be able to rename themselves something different during your school lesson, just take that check mark off. Let's go to security. So if you don't want them to be able to, so whatever you want to allow your participants to do, you want to put a check mark by it, right? So I would like to allow my participants to share screen and chat. And you can decide you want to lock the meeting room. So if your class has already started, it's been about 10 minutes, you can lock your meeting room. As far as start video, so you can choose to use different things you have set up on your computer as far as being able to display your screen and stuff. And then if you click on, so if your camera's on and you want to take it off, you just click on it and it does that. As far as muting, I don't think there's a lot you have to do here, but So as it concerns the students, you just want to be able to share your screen properly. If you want to share your screen, you don't have to click on the side there. You just click on this arrow. So for example, if I wanted to share my screen, I could click share screen, the green arrow. Then I would click share computer sound as well to make sure, just in case I want to share a video, that my sound is working properly, and click on the exact location of what you are sharing, and then click share, and it'll be all set. All right, thank you so much for your time. Have a great day, and God bless. Bye.